Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to get out of a rut. I'll be going over a simple process that you can use to literally climb yourself out of a rut situation. Now, what is a rut? A rut is like when just everything doesn't seem to be going your way. You just feel like you can't get out of it. It feels like you're just stuck somewhere and you want to get out, but you just can't get out, okay? And I'm going to be honest with you, I think everybody has been in a rut of some sort at some time, okay? But there's a simple process that you can use to get out of a rut, and this will work. It should work, okay? It's likely to work with basically any type of rut, okay? So the idea is this, and then I'll go over some examples. And like I said, this obviously is not guaranteed to work. Okay, there are many other things that you can do to sort of climb your way out of a rut, but this seems to be almost like almost a universal thing that will work in terms of a process. It's not guaranteed universal. It's like almost universal in the sense that it's very, very widely applicable. So you can apply it to basically many different ruts. I don't want to say every rut, but many different ruts. Okay, so this is the process. It's so simple. This is what you got to do. You have to take, and I'll go over an example in a moment, but let me tell you what you have to do. You have to take the tiniest, smallest possible baby step towards doing something that will get you towards getting out of that rut, okay? And then once you take that tiny step, the next step becomes a little bit easier or bigger. So it can be another tiny step, and it's easier to do that second tiny step, or it can be a little bit of a bigger step. It's just as hard, but it's a bigger step, okay? And then once again, once you do that next step, the following step will be easier to do a step of the same size, or it will be faster to do a step of the same size, or it will be just as hard and just as slow, but you'll be able to do a bigger step. So each step that you do allows the next step to be the same size and easier, the same size and faster, or a bigger step. But the key is to take that first tiny step, which basically unlocks your ability to get to the following steps after that, which can be, like I said, faster, but the same size of a step. They can also be easier, but the same size of a step. Or they can be a bigger step, take you just as long, just as difficult, but a bigger step. So let me go over an example. Let's just say you're in an emotional rut, a mental rut, a physical rut. Like you're lying down in your bed and you're like, I just don't want to get out of bed. It's the morning time. You just don't want to get up, okay? Listen, very simple, very simple. Literally what you got to do, you say you're under the covers, right? Okay. The tiniest baby step that you can do is if you're lying down, sit up. Sit up, okay? Oh, okay. I'm sitting up. You know what? Let me stretch out a little bit. Okay, no problem. Let me take off the covers. Okay. Well, now that I have the covers off, I might as well go brush my teeth. You're brushing your teeth. Okay. You know what? I'm already awake now. I might as well just go get changed, get dressed. And before you know it, you're not like, it's not going to change momentarily where you're like, oh my God, the day is the best day ever. It might, and that would be great. But at least you've gotten yourself out of the rut and you are taking bigger steps, easier steps, faster steps towards getting out of that rut. Okay? That's the key. You got to take a tiny small step towards getting out of the rut. And then every step after that will just be a little bit better, a little bit easier, a little bit faster, a little bit bigger. Okay? And before you know it, you will be out of the rut. Okay? Try it out. It's a simple process. It should work. It should help you out at least. So give it a try. Hopefully it works for you and you are able to just climb yourself and claw yourself out of that rut. Just get out of that. Just get out of that pit, out of that rut. You got to get out of it, okay? You got to get out of it. You got to do it. It's hard. It's not easy. It is so hard, but the process is simple. It's a hard process to do it. Each step can be brutally hard, but it's simple. Literally the tiniest step possible. It's simple. That's what you start with. Okay? And that's basically it. I've got nothing else to say, so we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.